I'm going to show you how to make a serpentine. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass, and we're going to add to that 1 ounce of light rum. I'm using a jigger to measure this out, and you can get this at any liquor supply store, bar supply store, or liquor store. This is 1 ounce on this side, and this is a ½ ounce on the other side. Makes it really easy to measure out your drinks. We're going to add a ½ ounce of brandy, and then a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. This is a wine product, so make sure you keep this refrigerated. All right. Then we're going to add in a ½ ounce of lemon juice. There we go. And we're going to shake that up. All right. Then I'm going to add in just about a tablespoon of sugar. Give it one more shake. Going to strain this into a martini glass, otherwise known as a cocktail glass, just like so. And there you have it, a serpentine. Cheers.